How are you viewers? Today we are going to talk about the speaking skills, that how we can improve our this skill. Definitely the speaking skill is one of the most important skills that can be used to improve your language. If you don't know about the speaking skills, then how you will speak the language. Language is for spoken and writing. So this is the one of the most important part that you should learn about it, and how you can learn this I am going to tell you. First is conversation partner. You have to find your conversation partner, that persons that can help you to understand yourself and that can help you to enhance your capability of speaking. The partner will tell you that where you lack and where you can improve your language. Second is listen and speak. By this method, if you are not going to listen clearly, how you will able to speak? So this is the very important point, that first you learn the speaking and listening, and how you can listen something. If you are starting to listen, definitely you will get the speaking skills. Stephen Krashen once said that if you are going to get more output or input, you will definitely give more output. It means that if you are going to listen more, you will speak more. Third is surround yourself with English. If you are not going to provide yourself the English towards yourself or to a partner, or somehow around yourself to the English language, definitely it will be difficult for you to understand the English language or speaking English. Because how we can surround ourselves with English? Some students do that they want to learn English, but they try to speak Urdu or other language. So when they prefer other language, definitely it might be difficult for them to acquire this language. So please surround yourself to learn the language. Furthermore, practice with the music and movies. You have listened some friends that they try to speak because of the listening music and movies. Because whenever they started to watch the movies, first they move on the subtitles and then the music. Music will help to utter out or to pronounce the correct words. Number 5. Read aloud. If you are going to read aloud, definitely it will help you to improve your speaking. Because when you read, definitely your language or your box, we will call it the sound box. When your sound box will able to practice your words, definitely it will improve your speaking skills. Record conversation. Whatever you are speaking, now I am speaking to you, but somehow my difficulties are, I am going to find some difficulty to speaking with you, because English is not my first language. English is my second language. So when we record our conversation, I would myself find what kind of difficulties or what kind of, or where the points are where I am making the mistakes of speaking. Last one is talk to yourself. It might be, some people would say that you have gone mad, because talk to yourself, it means any person who could be mad, definitely they will talk himself. But why this point is here? It means that whenever a person is going to speak, definitely he have to find a sentence, then they translate in their mind, then they have to provide that sentence or to put out the sentence to other person. So it takes some process, or it takes time. When you start to talk to yourself, it means that you are finding your sentences in your mind. When you try to understand the sentence, when you think in English, definitely talk to yourself, it means that you are making habitual to your mind to speak in English. So these are the points that can help you in speaking skills. Thank you very much.